Hi everyone, this is Susie. And if you're new, please consider subscribing. Today we're going to talk about the Chinese Evergreen. This is the Sparkling Sarah. Almost all Chinese Evergreens are variegated. These types need more light than those with less variegation. The higher the color of the plant, the more light it needs to maintain its color. Okay, it's got beautiful pink stems under here. Sparkling Sarah makes a great house plant for just about any location except full sun, especially when it is magnified through glass. Can scorch the leaves. Sparkling Sarah will survive in low light, but it will become thin and leggy. Give diffused sunlight or artificial light. I use some LED lights in some areas, like on my desk or something that does pretty well. It will do quite well under artificial light. If your Sparkling Sarah is in high light, let your potting soil dry out about 3/4 of the way before watering. Low light allows soil to dry almost completely between waterings. You can also do a low misting on your plant. The leaves are turning yellow. Either it's getting too much water or too little water. You may have to take the plant out of the pot to see if it is too dry or too wet. If it is too wet, let it dry out. If it is too dry, give it a good watering and let the water drain well out of the bottom of the pot. You can also use a moisture meter, which really comes in handy. You won't have to take it out of the pot. I just put this way down inside here, and this one is moist. So this one's fine. I don't know if I can get it back out. Okay. If the plant feels soft and limp, it is overwatered. And also, I'll have a link below for the moisture meter for Amazon. Yellow curled leaves can also be a sign of underwatering. Check the soil real well. Like I said, with the moisture meter is fine. Also, if you want to propagate, take about a 6-inch stem with some of the older, more mature leaves, and just cut below right about here and take off some of the lower leaves off. And if you're doing it and it's not spring or summer, make sure it gets plenty of light and sun. Then when you start to see the roots come out, you can go ahead and pot it. So under here, I could just snip it off with some scissors or some clean snippers like these right here. Just snip it right off and put that in water. And this is the Sparkling Sarah. Very pretty plant. Very easy to care for. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.